Today we're making gyudon, a classic Japanese beef bowl that's quick, satisfying, and full of flavor. Let's get started. When you think of gyudon, the first name comes to mind for many is Yoshinoya, the famous Japanese fast food chain. The gyudon served at Yoshinoya in US is quite different than you would find in Japan. In Japan, gyudon is very popular and a simple everyday meal and perfect for quick lunch or dinner. My grandfather often enjoys eating gyudon for lunch. It's such a comforting and an easy meal. Now, let's make it at home. First, slice half an onion thinly. Cut your beef into bite-sized pieces if needed. In a pot, combine soy sauce, mirin, sake, sugar, and water. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. Add the onions and simmer for about 5 minutes until soft and sweet. Then add the beef and let everything simmer gently for about 20 minutes. Skimming off any foam. This slow simmer brings out deep flavors and keeps the beef tender. At Yoshinoya, there is even a popular order called shirudaku, means extra sauce. It's not just the meat, the rice soaked in the rich sauce is absolutely delicious. Serve the beef and onions over bowls of hot steamed rice, pouring some of the savory broth on top. If you like, add some pickled red ginger for a nice tangy contrast. To deepen the flavor, you can saute the onions first until lightly browned or add a little grated ginger to the broth. And that's it! Homemade gyudon, warm and comforting. A true taste of Japan right in your kitchen. いただきます。美味しそう。いいね。おいしい。甘辛いタレが結構ご飯に染み込んで美味しいですね。味わいがいい。個人的にはやっぱりこう紅生姜をたくさんのせるタイプなんですよ。めっちゃのせたいタイプ。やっぱり玉ねぎを細めに切ってゆっくり煮込んだから玉ねぎが柔らかくて美味しい。甘めが好きな人は今回ぐらいの味付けがいいかもしれないですね。でも20分ぐらいで作れるから結構簡単だね。いいね。やっぱ汁たくさんかける汁だくが美味しいですよね。私は基本的にいつも緑茶を飲みます。日本食を食べるときは緑茶っていう感じかな。美味しいですね。育ち盛りの子にはもってこいの簡単料理でいいね。家族みんなで楽しめる味でいいと思いますよ。 美味しかった。ごちそうさまでした。